Getting a good night's sleep with a cat can be tricky, as they tend to be active at night. However, with patience and some adjustments to their habits, you can train your cat to sleep at night. Thankfully, you can follow simple steps to help your cat feel calm and ready to sleep at night. Set a consistent bedtime for both you and your cat. Cats feel more secure with a routine, so try to go to bed at the same time each night. This helps your cat understand when it is time to sleep. Give your cat plenty of playtime, especially in the evening. Play for 20 to 30 minutes before bed to help them burn off extra energy. This will make your cat tired and more likely to sleep through the night. Feeding your cat about 30 minutes before you go to bed can make them feel content and relaxed. A full stomach often helps calm them down and prepare them for sleep. Create a cozy and quiet space for your cat to sleep. Choose a soft bed or blanket in a calm area away from distractions. This will help your cat feel secure and relaxed when it is time for bed. Avoid feeding your cat late at night, as it can make them more active. Stick to feeding them earlier in the evening, before bedtime. This helps your cat settle down and not wake you up for food during the night. If your cat tries to get your attention at night, ignore them. Giving attention will only encourage them to keep waking you up. Staying consistent will teach your cat that nighttime is for sleeping, not play. Be patient and stick to your routine every night. It may take time for your cat to adjust. Consistency will help your cat learn that nighttime is for sleeping. When your cat sleeps through the night or follows the bedtime routine, reward them with treats or affection. Positive reinforcement helps reinforce good behavior and encourages them to continue. So, by applying these simple steps, you can train your cat to let you sleep.